directors na the show is structured loosely for the characters. So I wanted to know how much of it was your direction or your vision, and how much you played to the cast's strengths. Kasi we saw their flavors on stage.
This is an easy answer. Parang, kasi sobrang collaborative ng environment. So every time it's just everyone in the team is finishing each other's sentences. So una, tatlo kaming director, Moses, Remy, and Lisa, and then may anim ka na cast, and then anim na ensemble. So it's just okay. This is what it says on the script, and then how do we turn this script into on stage? So we will give a prompt for everyone, and then they will give another prompt, and then we rehearse it and then see what works. It's really that kind of collaboration. So what you see on stage is a myriad of various decisions during the entire process.
And this has been like a 3-year project already. As what Rolly said a while ago and Maynard said a while ago, this started as a Zoom production, and then we went into working with miniatures, and then finally, when we were allowed to go into the theaters again, it was live production. And we were also working, in the first run, we were working with a student cast. And what's so exciting and fun about that is both the student cast and the professionals were kind of bouncing off each other ideas and how to actually do the performances, and they were borrowing each other's antics and nuances. And that spirit of collaboration has always been present in the production, and most especially now when we were tightening the jokes and tightening the fun stuff.